What is up, y'all? This is Alex from Alex PC Tech again, back at you with another video. And today I hope you are safe and I hope you are fine. But today we're gonna be looking at this portable monitor right here. This is the R-O-G XG17AHPE. Now, this is a 17.3-inch IPS panel that is at 1080p and is aimed to be portable in every way possible, as it only weighs at 1060 grams and is only as thin as 1 centimeter. And let's check it out. What's in the box is a really nice bag that is designed to carry this ROG portable monitor. It's really nice and the branding is all over the bag as well. A smart cover that is made of leather, power adapters to suit your region's needs, color calibration testing documents, a quick start guide, the warranty card, a tripod stand that is very sturdy and is well made, and you can tilt, swivel, or adjust the height of the monitor. A USB Type-C cable that is used for charging or to connect and hook up your phone or your console. A USB Type-C to Type-A adapter that is used for the charger. A micro HDMI to HDMI cable in case you want to hook up with your GPU. You can actually use this as a secondary monitor for your current setup. And of course, the portable gaming monitor, the XG17AHPE. The OSD controls are located on the upper right of the screen, and even if this is a portable monitor, you are not missing any of the high-end functionalities of the ROG monitors. This has adaptive sync, blue light filter, crosshairs, shadow boost, and all the other good stuff that the higher-end models have. You can have it in two orientations. One is by using this smart cover and another is by using the tripod that can be swiveled, tilted, or even you can even adjust the height, and it's really very sturdy. As for the connectivity, located on the lower left side of the monitor, you have the micro HDMI port to connect to your GPU for you to hook it up, a USB-C display for your consoles, or in my case for the Macintosh that I use, a dedicated USB-C power for charging while being used, and a headphone jack. You can hook this up as a second monitor to your system by using a micro HDMI port, or use the USB-C port to have it as a display for your consoles or for your laptops. For the battery life, one full charge got me up until 3 hours and 45 minutes while gaming. However, this is with the speakers off. Speaking of the speakers, you have these functional speakers on the front which are not great but does the job. However, it has a built-in DAC, a 24-bit 192 kHz ESS 9118 DAC, which is really cool if you wanted to plug in your sound while gaming. It sounds really nice, to be honest. I suggest that you use this headphone jack if you are gonna be using this monitor. To be honest, I'm not really sure who this monitor is for. As for creatives, sure, the IPS panel does have very good viewing angles and is rated at around 100 sRGB. However, a 240 Hz refresh rate will be wasted if you are just going to use this as a secondary monitor for on-site editing. If you really want to go out and play and use this while indoors or outdoors, then fine. You can bring your Nintendo Switch, your mobile, or if you have a small laptop such as the X13 that we previously reviewed and wanted a bigger monitor, then this is it. Basically, the best selling point of this panel is that if you need the best portable gaming monitor on the market, then this is the only one out there. Given that this is the only one out there, this is at around 500 USD without the tripod stand. Yes, there are two options for this, and there's another option where you can shell out an extra $100 for the tripod stand. Is it worth it? Not really sure, but at this price point, given that this ticks all the portability features that you'll ever need, then for a specific use case, this is a viable solution. So that is it for this video. What do you think of the ASUS ROG XG17AHPE? Are you in the market for a portable monitor? Does this work in your workflow or anything? As for me, I can use it for offsite editing and also for gaming with a mobile or with a console. Like if you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I hope you are safe. I hope you are fine. Leave us a comment down below. What do you think of this monitor, okay? It's really light and it's actually really nice. As you can see, the reflection, viewing angles are really nice. So let us know down in the comments and see you on the next video.